Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iPhone setting guys, and today video title is guys iPhone bold tags guys, how to on and use. Friends, you want to on guys your bold tags. So how to on and use guys bold tags in iPhone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys one by one and step by step guys. So friends, first of all guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will on phone setting. So guys, we will on get this phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this tab setting in your iPhone. So friends, where is guys bold text? So guys, click on guys this display and brightness, and guys scroll it friends, you can see dark mode setting guys, the text size setting you want to change, so you can change, you can adjust. So friends, you can see your bold text. So friends, you can see after on guys your text will bold. Friends, you can this bold text guys, after on guys we can use it like that, this text will bold, your iPhone tags will bold. So like that guys, you want to on guys your bold tags in your iPhone, so guys you can on from here. And once you want to off, so guys click on again display and brightness, bold tags will off. And guys second method guys, you want to on guys your direct guys, you don't know where is your bold tags, so guys click on your phone search bar and guys search here guys bold tags. Friends, you can see bold tags, bold tag setting is here, so guys you can on, and friends you can off from here your bold tags you want to use, so you can on. After okay, so you can see tags will default, bold tags you want to on, so you can on and you can use it. So like that guys, we can on and off guys bold tags in iPhone device, and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys, we will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video guys.